What are you doing? She was lost in so many different ways, out in the darkness with no guide. I know the cause of a losing hand, never thought the grace of God go high. I found heaven on earth. You are my last, my first, and then I hear this voice inside. Ave Maria. I've been alone when I'm surrounded by friends. How could the silence be so loud? I could go home knowing that I've got you. There's only us when dawn's gone down. Where my heaven on earth, you are my third. I always hear this voice inside, singing Ave Maria. Sometimes love and come and pass you by. While you busy making plans, suddenly hit you and then you realize it's out of your hands. Baby, you've got to understand you are my heaven on earth. You are my last, my first. And then I hear this voice inside. Ave Maria. Ave Maria. That's right.
That's right. Listen to
You're
that.
your friends. Your friends. Oh well. I'm Jasmine. Bridget. Of course. Bye.
Have a nice night.
Night.